Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. Well, markets have been volatile ahead of a union budget. Last week we had Fed meeting, we had Ukraine issues, Russian-Ukraine issues, we had uh, inflation, US inflation issues, we have dollar index moving above 97, we have US 10-year yield moving higher, and all sort of things are boiling up to the higher volatility, and we have seen volatility be increasing to around 30%. CBOE weeks, even if you look at the India weeks, has been at the higher levels. And again, if you look at the India weeks, we have union budget which is scheduled tomorrow, and the volatility is probably likely to stay higher for more couple of days. But in this video, I'll be discussing what are the stocks where the setups are very stronger, and you should look for an buying opportunity post budget when the volatility settles down. So I have defined one of the system where I filtered the stocks from Nifty 100 basket, mid cap and small caps. So let's understand the setup what I'm talking about. So this is basically I'm using point and figure chart and comparing relative strength index over a year. The performance metrics I'll be using, and I've been giving a score. Okay, so first will be using the percentage is 0.25% by 3 and 1% by 3, which are generally for short term, medium term. 2% is slightly for medium term, 3% is for long term, and I'll be giving a score to each and every aspects on how I will be showing you the table. Look at the scoring system over here. The scoring system, if you look at the scoring system over here, when the if you look at the left hand side of the chart where the score is indicated as 2, it means that when the setup is breaking out and the prices are into the column of axis which is trending higher, the score is given as 2. The score is 1 is given where the breakout has happened, but the prices are in the column of O, which is means that there could be the retracement happening post the breakout, and that's the reason why I'm given the score of 1 over there. Okay, so as per the short to medium term and long term parameters which I am using, I will be using this scoring system, and each time frame 0.25% will be given the score of 1 or 2, whatever depends. 1%, 2% and 3% depending upon 1 and 2, it will be identified. So I have identified some of the best scoring where the scoring is between 7 and 8, 8 being the highest, because if you look at the 0.25, the scoring of 2, 1% scoring of 2, 2% scoring of 2 and 3% scoring of 2, it sums up to around 8 points. So let's look at some of the stocks where you should keep an eye for the post union budget, the stocks. So let's look at the first Nifty 100 basket. There are few stocks which are as per the scoring system gaining a strong momentum. So few are, if you look at the Nifty 100 basket, the under stock, ONGC leads the table with 8 scoring point, Bank of Baroda, Adani Green, Cholafin, SBI, Bandhan Bank and Maruti. These are the few stocks which are indicating that the short to medium term and long term, the setup is very strong. And 8 score, which means that the short term, medium term and long term, all the prices are in the X column. The score of 7 here, which means that 0.7, if you look at the 0.25 is given 1, which means that after a post breakout it has been retracing, but the medium term and long term are still into the positive bullish scenarios. On to the mid cap. If you look at the mid cap baskets, the stocks which are filtered down are Indian Oil, Tata Power, Can Bank, Oil India, and AU Bank. These are the few stocks which has been filtered out as per this scoring system and the parameters. From the small cap basket, there are few stocks like TV18 Broadcast, Poonawalla, Sharda Core, MMTC, DCM Sriram, IDFC, Power India, BDL, and Praj Industries. So you need to keep a watch on these other stocks where the setups are or the momentum is being volatility been slowing down, and there is a dip into the market where you can accumulate for a medium to long term perspective. So this is again some of the stocks which are defined as per the system, though we are not indicating the target and stop loss. So in case you can manage, think that the fundamental of the company is strong, and technical the scoring system is giving an excellent opportunity, so you can look for such kind of setups post union budget. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia.
Our new research uncovers some shocking truths behind today's hottest investment opportunity: electric vehicles. Don't invest your money in EV stocks before seeing our research. Click here to sign up for our special event to know it all for free.